friends, hope you are doing well. I hope you had a beautiful holiday and are gearing up for a beautiful New Year's. I am relaxing at home and I have some extra tea bags that were gifted to me that I thought, maybe I'll just show you guys how you can make really simple herbal infused oil with tea bags. If you've been following along on my podcast or on my YouTube channel already, you know that I have some other content where I talk about how easy it is to take tea from tea bags, cut them open, and use that to make your herbal infused oil. So I'll link some other videos and podcast episodes below that may be relevant to this topic if you want to dive further in, and also some information on, the benefits of herbal infused oil, which is one of my very favorite ways to use herbs. One thing that you can do with herbal infused oil is just use it directly on your skin to nourish the nervous system. If you have anxiety, issues with sleep, issues with, feeling calm and grounded in your body, herbal infused oil, or just oil in general, is a great way to support your nervous system because your nerves are right under the skin. So anytime you put oil on your skin, it's going right into your nervous system and helping to soothe you. So especially if you have dry skin anywhere in your body, I definitely recommend oiling your body is great just with plain oil. You could just use olive oil from the grocery store. But when you add in herbs, there's an extra medicinal and magical element that I love as well. So there's lots of beautiful things that you can do. You can also use it for cuts, scrapes, burns, bites, things like that. And any skin fungal stuff that would be good with antifungal herbs like rosemary and things like that. So I'm going to take these tea bags and show you how to make some herbal infused oil. So let's get to it. So today I'm going to show you two different methods that you could use to make herbal infused oil with these tea bags. You're going to need a couple jars or one jar. I'm going to make two batches, so I need 2 jars. Some sort of organic oil. I'm using organic olive oil from Costco, and then some sort of organic tea in tea bags. I'm using organic chamomile tea from Trader Joe's, but you could again use lavender, chamomile, ginger, rosemary. You could use rose. Get creative with it. I have 2 different jars because I'm doing 2 different methods. One, I'm just going to do the long method where you just pour oil over it and let it sit for 4 to 6 weeks and then strain it. The other method is going to be the quicker method if you wanted to do something that would be ready that day or the next day or whatever. So you have kind of 2 different options to work from. I typically like to do the longer method just because heat can degrade your oil, so it's not ideal to use heat, but you can, and it's not going to make it immediately go bad as long as you just don't use too high of heat. So you want to keep the heat as low as possible while still, warming your oil, because that warmth is going to open up and break open the herb and infuse it into your oil quicker. Okay, so I put about 5 of each of the tea bags, 5 to 7 in each jar. You can just do however many you want. I'm just kind of winging this, and I'm going to pour my oil in now. One of them I'm going to let sit for 4 to 6 weeks and then strain out the herbs. The other one I'm going to place into some warm water for a couple hours into a double boiler, which I'll show you how to do. Okay, so the oil's been warming in this pot. You can see there's a little bit of bubbling in the water. It's very low. I still have it on low here. Yeah, I'm just stirring it every once in a while. and just warming it slowly. Hey guys, so I wanted to circle back with you on the oil that we made from the tea bags. So I have my 2 oils here. This one with the red top is the one that I put over the heat, and this is the one that I did not. And I just literally put the tea bags in here and then poured oil over it. And what I'm gonna do is I can either keep it in my windowsill and shake it up every day, or I can keep it somewhere dark and shake it up every day. And we'll see over 4 to 6 weeks how this oil does. Now, I wanted to do a comparison, just like a smell test. This one that I put over the heat, I can already smell a massive difference between this one and that one. This one really smells like chamomile oil. I probably had it over that low heat for like, I don't know, maybe 2 to 4 hours. I wasn't really super paying close attention to it, but this just goes to show you that you can just do the Folk method with this. You can just pour however much you have and then pour however much oil over it you want. I didn't want to do too much oil because I want it to be concentrated. I had like just a tiny bit of the herbs, so I didn't want to do like a massive amount of oil, but you could do that, whatever you want. So anyways, this one that I put over the heat, I can really smell the chamomile smell, whereas this one that is going to do the time method, the longer method, does not really smell like chamomile that much yet. So it'll be interesting to see after this sits for 4 to 6 weeks, you know, which one is a better method. Typically I don't, like I said, use the heat method unless I'm trying to get something going fast. So this would typically be my method. I also wanted to show you what you can use if you don't have tea bags and you want to go like the other route, which would be to just buy yourself some bulk chamomile flowers. These are from Mountain Rose Herbs. If you're not sure where to get your bulk organic quality herbs, I have a podcast episode where I talk about all of my favorite places to buy bulk herbs, and I'll put that in the description. So you might want to listen to that, but Mountain Rose Herbs is one of my favorite. And this is my favorite way to make oil. If you looked at the quality of the inside of the herb from in the tea bags versus the quality of this you can see is actual flowers. That just kind of looked like dust. I mean, I'm sure it will work. I'm sure it will be fine. Again, if buying or ordering something bulk is like a barrier to entry for you with this project, then just go with tea bags if you want to just try that way first. That's why I wanted to introduce this to you. But if you want to go better quality, I would suggest getting something fresher and something that is in its more whole form and breaking that down and using that. So this is my preferred method, would be using the whole flowers like this. But again, I'm showing you the easy way that you can just jump right into this project. So yeah, just wanted to check back with you on these oils. I hope you had fun with this project. If you did try this out, or if you're planning to try this out, leave me a comment below. Let me know how it went. Let me know what method you used, or if you are planning to try it, let me know what herb you're planning to try. I'm excited to hear from you, and I hope this inspires you to just remember that it can be so easy to get started. Hey guys, hope you're well. I'm at this beautiful park right now. And yeah, I'm super excited to share a fun announcement with you. In the last year, I've been actually maybe like 2 years, I've been kind of in like a very internal place, you know, just like getting pregnant and giving birth and then being postpartum, new mama. So much newness, taking care of myself, getting to know my baby, and getting to know like this new life and how do I get my needs met and take care of this new being. And it's been wild. So I haven't really been creating a lot, as you've seen on my YouTube channel, and I haven't really been coaching or working with anybody or really feeling that inspired to. You know, I thought maybe I just really want to be a mom and I don't really want to do my business anymore. If that's true for me, then that's cool. But what I've really realized in the last couple months is that I do really want to do my business and want to do coaching, and that I do really have a passion for sharing everything that I learned on my wild pregnancy and free birth journey with other moms, but just to help empower them to know they have a wider range of options when it comes to pregnancy and birth than we're really told. That I'm going to be creating a new video series called the Natural New Mama video series. It's going to be coming out soon. and then I'm going to be talking about my own personal free birth story and wild pregnancy story. I'm going to be sharing a lot of the information that I learned. I'm going to be sharing about pregnancy and birth in the context of sacred rite of passage and emotional support, and how important it is to just set yourself up with those things, preparing for postpartum, that type of stuff, and just like really creating the most powerful and beautiful resource that I've ever created for new moms. So if that's something that you're wanting, be sure to sign up for my email list to get all the videos. I will be posting some of the videos in the series on my YouTube channel, but if you want the whole series, you can sign up for my email list. We'll be talking about free birth, wild pregnancy, things to know that if you want a more natural birth and you are choosing to birth in the system, things that you should know to stay in your power, conscious conception, preparing your body for pregnancy and conception, how to release fear around birth, preparing for postpartum, just so many beautiful and important things. And I just want to say, like, mamas out there, you are the most important beings on the planet. You are literally creating the new reality on Earth. You're creating the new beings, the new humans, the new generation for our planet, and there really is no more important job than that. And my dream and vision for the future of our planet is that everybody rallies around the mothers and the children, and that the mothers and the children are at the center of everything, and everything radiates out from there. So keep an eye out for that, and like I said, subscribe to my email list if you want to be sure to get all of the videos in the series. And yeah, hope you are well, friends.